As you guys already know, we cannot hit the pause button on life. So one way that we can manage our homes better is hitting a pause on purchasing more and more items to bring into our home, because that is something that is within our control. I read somewhere where they talked about there's a time for sowing, there's a time for watering, and there's a time for reaping. And sometimes we just need to know what season we're in. Whether we're in a season of stripping everything back and learning how to have contentment, or maybe we're further in our season where we have just invited all of these unwelcome things into our houses and we just need to say enough is enough. So we need to strip back everything. So whatever season you're in, if you're in a season of rest where you've already stripped everything back and you just need to sit back and rest, I feel like that's the season I'm in. I'm in a season of continuing to get things out of my house, but also just sitting back and reflecting on the years that not only have I wasted buying and purchasing, spending so much money on unnecessary things, but just, I don't know, maybe it's because I'm going into my 30th year of life and it's due for some time of reflecting. I've done so many amazing things in my life, and I'm just so grateful to God for getting me through to this point. And wherever you are, in whatever stage of life that you're in, I'm just happy that you made your way to this video and that we can chat and be friends and we can encourage one another to clean and declutter our houses, because this is such a fun space on the internet where I get to be creative and I get to share my home with you guys. And my goal is to make you guys feel like you're at home, to share my faith with you guys, and you guys share your faith with me, and you guys have encouraged me so much. And some of you are not religious, and that is totally fine, and I'm not here to push my religion on you, but this is my channel and this is what I believe, and I will stand for my faith because God is unshakable in my life and He's immovable, and I've gone through so many things where I can testify and praise His name for what He's done and the miracles I've seen in my life. But hey, hi, if you're new, I'm Becca. I'm a mom to 5 kiddos. My husband and I have been married for 10 years, and we live in Florida, where there is no beaches, no, there is beaches, but we live in the country part of Florida. People are always like, what, you live in the country? Yes, we live in the country part of Florida. We don't live by the beaches. We go to the beach, but we're not regular beachers. We're more of riding on our side-by-side, enjoying animals and nature. And yeah, I do love the beach though. And I would love to visit the mountains too. I think the mountains are beautiful. Another cool thing that just happened in my life is YouTube actually invited me to a creators event in California. I have never been to California, and unfortunately I'm not going to be able to go this time, but I just thought it was so cool that I'm even at a part in my YouTube journey where YouTube would invite me to such a thing. And that's all thanks to you guys for joining along and subscribing and just being a part of this channel. It's truly a blessing. I always say it's not about the money, it's not about the things, it's not about any of those things, but those are all like the icing on top of the cake. And right now, YouTube brings me about a Starbucks a day, and I will take it. Oh, and something else funny that happened. I thought that this really cool brand that was like a workout brand reached out, and it had like a similar name to like this brand that I knew as a workout brand with like workout equipment. Well, it turned out when I clicked on it, I was like, oh yeah, this brand reached out. They want to do like a collab with me. I'm so excited. Well, I looked more into it, and they wanted to promote a toilet seat for me for my home. So it was not a fancy workout equipment. It was a toilet seat. Yeah, I don't think I'll be doing that collaboration, but thank you for reaching out. So if you haven't got the gist of this video, this is 1 week of me cleaning my house. These are all of the shorts compiled together that form my full week in cleaning and decluttering throughout the week. and I just have to get out long form. That's how my videos will do anything on this platform, because the shorts are where I love to edit and I love to push out shorts, and they're super easy, but these long forms are really where I can go far with YouTube and actually make some money for my family. I feel like I do a good job of walking you guys through what I am decluttering and how I am decluttering. And I have a whole series under my shorts, and it's like 100 days of cleaning and decluttering, and it's under the playlist, so you guys can check that out. But if there's ever anything that you guys want to see specifically, make sure you're letting me know by just leaving me a comment saying like, this is what I want to see in your videos. That can help me create better content for those of you who are actually watching. Let me know in the comments. I'm curious to know what started your decluttering mission. Did you see a video and you just started to declutter your whole house? Who inspired you? And what stage of your inspiration are you in? Are you just starting your decluttering journey, or have you been decluttering for a long time? Anyways, I hope you guys just feel so loved, so valued here on this channel. I hope that you find it a space where you can come and see normal life happening and you can relate in some way. And if you guys did make it this far, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed already, so that we can have you a part of our community of moms and grandmas and whatever your title may be. I'm just happy you're here. So we will see you in our next one. Go ahead and leave a CD emoji, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.